Welcome. In front of me is a General Mobile GM8Co, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from SIM to the device. So to get started, you want to open up the Contacts app, and it's not the phone one, so make sure you open up the specific standalone contacts, which is right here. If it gives you some kind of pop-up, just disregard it. Then you want to tap on the three dots up here and go into the settings. From settings, you should find import and export options. So tap on import because you want to get the contacts from SIM card. So tap on it. And then you should see the list of all the contacts that are on the SIM. Now, there's barely any. As you can see, there is a couple. So from here, you can just select whichever number you want to copy, contact by checking it on. By default, there will be all enabled, so you can disable if you don't want specific ones. So I'm just gonna, for instance, copy one, which is, let's say, the account balance. And from here, all you need to do is just tap on the check mark to confirm the transfer. And you can see one SIM contact imported, and basically you're done. So if you go into the contacts now, which I actually just was, I'm not sure why I left. If I go back, you can see that there is the single contact that I have moved over. Now you can also export the contact. So if you have an older device, you can move all those contacts from the old phone to a new one by simply creating a file. So if we go back to the settings, okay, there we go. And then go back into the settings, go down. You have also the export option. And as an export option, I just tap on allow, so it has the access to it. You can create a file, as you can see, VCF file. You can name it whatever you want exactly, and basically add contacts to it. Just tap on save. Now, guess there is no actually like contacts that I can copy, but you basically get a list of it, and you can create a file and then move it. Or I would say the best way to do it is just to email it to yourself and have it always at hand on your email address. But basically, that's how you would copy contacts from SIM to the device, and basically make also a copy of it if you wish. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.